Okay, I want to compare two problems that are related to each other with the number line. Okay, I want to compare 6 minus 1 to 6 plus negative 1. Okay, we're going to show a subtraction problem on a number line just like we did addition. We're going to have two different number lines, and we're going to start out at 0. Okay, so let's look at 6 minus 1 for a minute. Okay, we're going to start at 0. If we want to show 6 minus 1, we're going to go up to 6. Okay, then we're going to take a new number line. Okay, now it says subtract 1. Well, if it says subtract 1, that would mean we have to go backwards 1. Okay, if we go backwards 1 from 6, okay, we end up with 5. Okay, this is related to the problem 6 plus negative 1. Okay, let's look at that on the number line. Okay, we're going to start at 0. We're going to go 6 spaces to the right for 6. And then if we're going to add negative 1, we're going to go 1. Okay, from there, we're going to go 1 to the left. Okay, notice it's exactly the same answer. We're doing exactly the same thing on the number line. Okay, so these are related to each other. Let's look at this for a minute, though. We have 6 minus 1 equals 5. We have 6 plus negative 1 equals 5. Okay, I want you to notice two things. One is that the subtraction problem became an addition problem. The subtraction sign became an addition sign. And the second thing I want you to recognize is that this 1, the second number, the 1, turned into its opposite. Okay, it turned into a negative 1. Okay, so the first number stayed the same, the 6 stayed the same. The subtraction problem, the subtraction sign became an addition sign. And then the second number turned into the opposite. So what we're going to do when we have a subtraction problem, at least we can do this, we can change it to an addition problem by using same, change, opposite. I will explain this in the next slide again. Okay, you keep the first number the same, you change the subtraction to addition, and then you take the opposite of the second number, which means change its sign.